Ever feel like no matter how hard you work, you're just spinning your wheels? You're not alone. Most people are stuck in a cycle of earning, spending, and repeating, never truly building wealth. But what if I told you there's a proven system to break free? A system that doesn't rely on luck, a rich family, or a fancy degree. Today I'm giving you the Abundance Blueprint, a step-by-step guide to mastering money, mindset, and momentum to create lifelong wealth. Stick around because by the end, I'll reveal a little-known wealth hack that can 10x your results. Let's dive in. Meet Alex and Jamie. Both grew up in the same neighborhood, went to the same school, and even started their careers at the same company. But while Alex constantly complained about being broke, Jamie focused on opportunities. Fast forward 10 years, Alex is still stuck in a 9-to-5, while Jamie runs a thriving online business and travels the world. The difference? Mindset. To cultivate an abundance mindset, focus on possibilities, not limitations. Replace "I can't" with "How can I?" and celebrate small wins to build momentum. Here's a quick challenge. Write down 3 limiting beliefs about money and flip them into empowering statements. For example, "I'll never be rich" becomes "I am capable of creating wealth." The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. If you're relying on one paycheck, you're leaving money on the table. To 10 times your income, start a side hustle like freelancing, consulting, or selling digital products. Monetize your skills by turning your expertise into courses, coaching, or workshops. And leverage technology by using AI tools to automate and scale your efforts. Here's a viral tip. Share your journey on social media. Documenting your progress not only holds you accountable, but can also attract opportunities and partnerships. Sarah wanted to start investing but felt overwhelmed. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, she committed to spending 15 minutes a day reading about stocks. Within a year, she had built a $50,000 portfolio. Small, consistent actions create unstoppable momentum. To build momentum, start small by focusing on one goal at a time. Track progress using a journal or app to measure your growth. And celebrate milestones by rewarding yourself for hitting targets. Here's an action step. Identify one financial goal and break it into daily or weekly actions. For example, if you want to save $10,000, start by saving $50 a week. The wealthy don't rely on a single source of income. They stack multiple streams to create financial security. Here are 7 income streams to build. Dividend stocks to earn passive income from companies you own. Rental properties to generate cash flow through real estate. Digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. Affiliate marketing to earn commissions by promoting products. Business ownership to scale a business and automate operations. Royalties from books, music, or patents. And high-ticket services like coaching or consulting. Here's an action step. Pick one income stream to start this month, such as creating a simple digital product or opening a dividend investing account. Mike was working 60-hour weeks but still struggling to save. He realized he was trading time for money, a losing game. So, he hired a virtual assistant to handle repetitive tasks and used the extra time to start a side hustle. Within a year, he had doubled his income and cut his work hours in half. To buy back your time, delegate by outsourcing tasks that don't require your expertise. Automate using tools like Zapier or ChatGPT to streamline workflows. And focus on high-value activities by spending your time on tasks that generate the most ROI. Here's an action step. Identify one task you can delegate or automate this week. Not all debt is bad. The wealthy use good debt to build wealth. To use debt strategically, invest in real estate by using a mortgage to buy rental properties that generate cash flow. Start or scale a business by taking out a loan, or amplify stock market gains by using margin accounts with caution. Here's an action step. Research one way to use debt to your advantage, like investing in a rental property or starting a business. The average person pays 30% or more in taxes. The wealthy pay far less, legally. To reduce your tax bill, Maximize retirement accounts by contributing to a 401k or IRA. Write off expenses by deducting business-related costs like travel, meals, and home office expenses. And invest in tax-advantaged accounts like HSAs or 529 plans for additional savings. Here's an action step. Meet with a tax professional to identify deductions and credits you're missing. Your network is your net worth. The people you surround yourself with can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. To build a wealth-building network, attend events like conferences, seminars, and meetups in your industry. Find mentors by learning from those who've already achieved what you want, and give value first by offering help or resources before asking for anything in return. Here's an action step. Reach out to 3 people in your desired field this month and start building relationships. Emily automated her entire investment strategy. She set up automatic transfers to her brokerage account and scheduled recurring investments in index funds. Within 5 years, she had a $100,000 portfolio without lifting a finger. To automate your finances, use robo-advisors or auto-investing apps for investing. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and automate bill payments to avoid late fees. Here's an action step. Automate one financial process this week, like setting up a recurring investment or savings transfer. True wealth isn't just about you, it's about creating a lasting legacy for your family. To build generational wealth, invest in appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, and businesses. Create a wealth protection plan by setting up wills, trusts, and estate plans. And teach financial literacy by passing down money management skills to your children. Here's an action step. Start one long-term investment for future generations, like a college fund or real estate property. Sharing your wealth-building journey on social media can attract opportunities, partnerships, and even passive income. To go viral, document your progress by sharing your wins, challenges, and lessons learned. Provide value by posting tips, tutorials, or insights that help others. And engage with your audience by responding to comments and building a community. Here's an action step. Start a social media account dedicated to your wealth-building journey and post consistently. Drop a comment with your #1 financial goal for the next 12 months. Want more wealth-building strategies? Hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Your journey to abundance starts today.